Want to make driving easier and safer? Today we'll show you 15 essential car accessories from Amazon to help you easily handle everyday driving and maintenance. Want to transform your car into a smart cockpit in seconds? This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen lets you easily navigate, make calls, and play music using Siri or Google Assistant while on the go. Upgraded suction cup mount for stable, secure attachment, supports multi-angle adjustment. Bluetooth 5.3 provides high-definition audio quality with more stable aux or Bluetooth connections. Real-time map navigation lets you view Google Maps and Waze traffic conditions at any time. You can also wirelessly cast videos. Netflix not supported to create your own entertainment hub. Plug-and-play design, simply connect to the cigarette lighter socket to use. Compatible with most vehicle models, no modifications required. Effortlessly upgrade your smart driving experience. Looking to quickly clean your yard, garage, or patio? This cordless blower has a maximum speed of up to 500,000 revolutions per minute, with wind speeds reaching 90 meters per second, easily blowing away leaves, dust, and debris. Equipped with an 8.2-inch extended nozzle, it handles both narrow gaps and large areas with ease. Two 20,000 mAh high-capacity batteries provide up to 50 minutes of continuous use, eliminating the need for cords and enhancing cleaning efficiency. Weighing just 0.35 pounds, it can be operated with one hand, reducing fatigue. A fast charger and built-in temperature protection ensure safe and quick startup for your cleaning tasks. Tired of losing connection and slow internet speeds while traveling in your RV? This HiBoost RV mobile signal booster easily boosts your signal, reduces dropped calls, and provides clearer voice calls, faster data speeds, and stronger hotspot capabilities. Whether you're on the road or parked, you'll enjoy a stable connection. Features a flexible indoor antenna with a 13-foot cable for easy movement. Watch movies in bed with the antenna next to the television. Use your laptop for work and place it on the desk. The signal adapts to your environment. Compatible with all major U.S. carriers, including Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, and more. Supporting 4G and the latest 5G networks, with a maximum gain of up to 50 dB and FCC certified for safety and reliability. This aluminum rivet combination set contains 600 pieces. It comes in 15 commonly used sizes to meet various daily maintenance and DIY needs. Blind rivets are suitable for home maintenance, repairs, or craft projects. They are easy to use and deliver professional results. Equipped with a sturdy storage box with a double buckle design, it is easy to carry and clearly labeled so you can quickly find the size you need. Looking for a durable and practical riveting tool? This Betro manual rivet gun is designed for use in a variety of scenarios. It comes with 4 interchangeable rivet heads to cover most common riveting needs. The set includes 100 rivets in 4 different sizes, allowing you to easily connect metal, plastic, leather, furniture, and even pipes. Whether for home, DIY projects, repairs, or professional use, it can handle the job. Operation is also very convenient, with an integrated wrench for quick and hassle-free nozzle replacement. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable grip and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The lightweight body is easy to carry, making it ideal for both workshop and outdoor use, helping you tackle various fastening tasks anytime, anywhere. With this tool in hand, riveting becomes more efficient and effortless. This hose clamp set includes 100 pieces, with a clamping range of 6 to 12 millimeters, suitable for use with a variety of pipes. Made of 304 stainless steel, it offers excellent resistance to salt spray and chemical corrosion, ensuring durability and reliability. The adjustable design makes it widely applicable for use in ships, automobiles, water pipes, fuel lines, and more. Simply tighten or loosen with a screwdriver to quickly secure or adjust, ensuring easy installation and a secure fit. Looking for a stylish and practical all-in-one tool set? This 276-piece upgraded home tool set comes with a larger capacity toolbox featuring storage compartments and sliding drawers for clearer organization and more efficient access. The set includes common tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, saws, and drill bits, making it easy to handle furniture repairs, appliance installations, and everyday renovations. It also includes a 12V cordless drill with a maximum speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute, weighing just 1.76 pounds, lightweight and portable, making it the perfect DIY companion. Want to quickly remove car stickers, decals, or stripes? This rubber wheel decal remover with a diameter of 10.16 cm features a solid circular design for efficient and effortless use. It comes with a drill bit adapter compatible with household electric drills or pneumatic drills, with an optimal speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, making it easy to remove residual stickers and adhesive marks. Suitable for various surfaces such as cars, trucks, and RVs, it instantly revitalizes your vehicle. Valvoline Advanced Motor Oil continuously removes engine deposits and prevents future buildup with LiquiShield technology. Its anti-wear protection exceeds industry standards compared to GF6-compliant oils, effectively reducing friction and improving fuel economy. Whether for new vehicles or high-mileage vehicles, it is your best choice, ensuring your engine runs strong and reliable for years to come. Is your garage always dirty with motor oil and other liquids? Check out this water-absorbent, oil-resistant garage floor mat. Made with a compact felt fabric structure, it quickly absorbs oil and liquids, keeping the floor dry. The waterproof rubber layer on the back prevents motor oil, brake fluid, gasoline, and coolant from seeping through, protecting the floor from damage. Perfectly suited for cars or motorcycles. It can also be easily cut to size for customization. The material is durable, resistant to wear and tear, and easy to clean. Upgrade your vehicle with a truly practical multifunctional switch panel. Featuring 3 joystick switches, a 4.8 amperes dual USB charger, and a voltmeter, this all-in-one design is suitable for a variety of applications, including cars, trucks, RVs, boats, yachts, and more, operating on 12 volts to 24-volt systems. Dual USB ports, each delivering 2.4 amperes, with a total power output of 4.8 amperes. Enabling fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously faster than traditional chargers. Reinforced aluminum panel, high-quality conductive pins, durable and reliable, with stable performance even after long-term use. Includes mounting screws and DIY stickers for easy installation and intuitive operation. Stay safe, starting right now. This is the Stinger 140 dB personal alarm keychain, which comes with a battery and is ready to use right out of the box. It's compact and portable, with a keyring loop that can be attached to your bag, strap, or belt, so you can carry it with you at all times and protect yourself and your family. In an emergency, it emits an alarm sound of up to 140 decibels, audible from as far as 600 feet away, giving you valuable reaction time. Not only that, it also serves as a window breaker, capable of shattering tempered glass instantly, providing you with the best chance to escape. It also comes with a sharp seatbelt cutter, allowing you to easily sever a stuck seatbelt in critical moments and quickly free yourself. A multifunctional emergency tool that combines an alarm, window breaker, and belt cutter. Upgraded with zinc alloy material, this keychain features a quick release function, allowing you to easily add or remove keys. It also hangs effortlessly on a belt loop. Dual lock design with 4 key rings, allowing you to store car keys and house keys separately for greater convenience. Multifunctional design enables you to manage multiple keys throughout the day with ease, eliminating concerns about clips tearing belt loops. Weighing just 1.2 ounces, it is lightweight and portable, fitting comfortably into your pocket. Want to know just how powerful the PB100 probe tester really is? It's not just an ordinary tool. It's a super detective for automotive electrical systems. It combines a multimeter, test light, jumper, and fuse tester all in one, featuring 4 diagnostic modes: DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, and diode. With its plug-in, press, and probe functionality, it effortlessly resolves 99% of electrical issues. Whether it's the battery, trailer lights, relays, or fuses, the PB100 can quickly pinpoint the issue. It can also directly activate components like the blower, window motor, windshield wipers, lights, and fuel injectors to determine their condition. Featuring a dual power design, it supports battery or cigarette lighter power, plus a 20-foot extension cable, making it easy to cover both small cars and large trucks. More details: stainless steel probes are rust-resistant and durable, with a built-in flashlight and LCD backlight for precise operation in dark environments. Plus, overload protection ensures safer testing. The Ansel PB100 is the ultimate circuit testing companion for car owners and technicians, enabling quick diagnosis and easy repairs. Having trouble getting in and out of the car, especially for the elderly, pregnant women, children, or those with mobility issues, here is a portable car support handle that makes getting in and out of the car safer and easier for you and your family. Made from high-quality forged steel and upgraded composite materials, it is rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant, featuring a non-slip PVC grip for a sturdy and durable design. Most importantly, it can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure experience when getting in and out of the car. The handle is designed with ergonomic rubber foam, lightweight and comfortable, fitting the palm and fingers naturally, solving the issue of ordinary plastic handles cracking easily. This is not just an auxiliary handle. It is also a multifunctional emergency tool that can cut seatbelts and break car windows in emergencies, helping you escape quickly. This support handle is also very portable, compact in size, and easy to store in a door storage pocket or glove compartment for immediate use. It is suitable for most U-shaped door latch models, allowing anyone who needs assistance to use it with ease. The portable car support handle, small yet powerful, is an essential safety companion for every vehicle owner. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We look forward to your comments in the comments section. See you in the next video where we'll continue to unlock more great car products.